What's going on, y'all? So right now we're in a little bit of a weird situation because we have a snowstorm that's going to be hitting us pretty soon, and the news outlet have been going crazy with it.
Weather days for Wednesday and into Thursday as well. And this is what we've been anticipating. This just coming down from the National Weather Service in the last few minutes. Winter storm watch.
We stay in the 60s tomorrow and into Tuesday, but then the bottom drops out on Wednesday. That 50 is probably first thing in the morning, and then gusty north winds and falling temperatures throughout the day. I do have a high below freezing on Thursday, and then us warming back up above freezing on Fridays.
Snap could put your electric grid to the test. ERCOT now confirming demand for electricity is expected to be high, but unlikely to reach demand seen during last year's deadly winter freeze.
ERCOT issued an advisory this morning for extreme cold conditions and potential icing starting Wednesday evening and running through Sunday.
I mean, everybody's just saying how to prepare for it and what to do, and I don't know. It's just a lot of stuff. I don't know if y'all remember, this time last year we had another snowstorm that hit Texas. There's Samson. I'm Anthony.
Victoria.
And yeah, so we're snowed in. So what does that mean in Texas? Everything is closed.
Oh.
And that put us out for a while. Right now everybody's just kind of freaking out. I don't know if you can see the clouds. I know you can see the clouds, but it wasn't like this earlier. Maybe not even 30 minutes ago, maybe an hour. It wasn't like this. It was clear skies. And it's getting cold. The temperatures are dropping. And there's one thing that the whole world knows, I guess, is that Texas doesn't know how to do snowstorms correctly. So right now Victoria's out. I think she's going to be getting some stuff ready for this week in case our power go out. For some reason our powers will go out because Texas doesn't know how to do it correctly again. And so just in case our power goes out, we have food to eat and whatnot. Oh my gosh, I know some people up north, for you guys it's like whatever, but for us, yeah, this is a little adventure going on. So luckily we do work from home, so it's not going to affect us that way unless we don't have any internet. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with Samson because he has so much energy right now. He has way too much energy. So I need to run him and get all of his energy off of him. And then after that, I'm going to go take a shower. I haven't taken a shower in 3 days. I know, Victoria's like, you better. She says, you better be showered by the time I come back. So, but check this out. This is pretty cool. So Samson has a little, I said it before. Samson has a little weakness, and that's this bad boy right here. Right, donkey? And normally I run right here. What are you doing? Come here. And what I do is I normally throw it that way over that hill, and he'll run like a racehorse. He's ready to go. He already knows what's going to happen. So yeah, so check this out. Ready, donkey? Go. We usually do that about 3 or 4 times, and he's tired already. But now I have to go get the ball from him. I gotta put this on. Yeah, so we usually do that. I start from right here on this end. He'll run all the way up there, run all the way that way, and go and get the ball. So yeah. He loves it. He loves it. And then right now, since it's getting cold, it's hard for him. It's hard for him to come inside because he loves this weather, and he loves the snow, and he loves the outdoors. So say hi, Samson. But anyways, thanks guys for watching this video. I'm just gonna play with Samson for a little bit. Like I said, I'll upload these other videos pretty soon. And yeah, we also went to this place that was pretty cool. It was a place where you play video games and eat at the same time. It was a pretty cool place. I don't know if Victoria found it, but it was a pretty cool place. So we'll show some of that as well. But yeah, thanks guys for watching this. We'll see y'all next time. I'm just gonna play with this dog, get all his energy out, and yeah, we'll see y'all later. Bye. All right, so check this out. I'm gonna throw the ball, have Samson run way over there, and I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna hide him. I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna leave him. Let me see what he does. Where are you going? I'm gonna leave him out, Dad. I couldn't leave him out by himself too long, so he gets guard.